JadePlant care is easy and simple. Many people enjoy growing JadePlant in their homes and offices, and they are considered to be the symbol of good luck. But you don't need to be lucky to learn what the proper care and maintenance of JadePlant is. Keep watching this video to learn how to care for a JadePlant. Learning about the care and maintenance of JadePlants, that also known as crassula ovata, is easy. The most important factors to consider when growing JadePlant is water, light, temperature, and fertilizer. One of the most important things when you care for a JadePlant is to make sure that they are watered properly. Never let a JadePlant dry out completely. Also, do not water a JadePlant too often, as this can cause root rot. Don't water your JadePlant on a schedule. Rather, water your JadePlant when the topsoil is just dry to the touch. If your JadePlant is losing leaves or has lot of leaf spots, this is most commonly caused by too little water. Important aspect of care and maintenance of your JadePlant is how much sun they receive. They need full sun in order to grow properly. If they don't get full sun, they may become stunted and leggy. So you can see here how my plants are green and clear. So this, when your plant looks like have green leaves and has proper maintenance, your plant will grow properly. To best in daytime temperatures of 65 to 75 degree Fahrenheit, that is 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. During the day, 50 to 55 degree Fahrenheit, that ranges between 10 to 13 degrees Celsius at night. That being said, if they get lots of sunlight, they will do fine in temperatures that are higher than this. For JadePlant care, fertilize your JadePlant about once every 6 months. You can use a balanced water soluble fertilizer, or in my case I am using an organic JadePlant fertilizer. But before fertilizing the plant, make sure you water the plant soil so that the soil is not dry, as this will damage the roots. So first I am watering the soil properly. So after watering the soil, I am adding this small quantity of JadePlant organic fertilizer in the soil. See, like this I will be adding. So after adding the fertilizer properly in the soil, I will cover the top soil with loose soil, that is also a fertilized soil, so that the fertilizer gets properly absorbed by the roots. So I will add soil like this. After covering the soil, giving fertilizer, I will irrigate the soil with water again. So make sure you irrigate the soil with water after using the organic fertilizer. As you saw, that taking care of a JadePlant is pretty simple. With a little care and proper JadePlant fertilizers, your pretty JadePlant might one day become a pretty Jade tree. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe our channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye.